Hello, children. How are you? Can you see the beautiful picture here? What is it? Yes, this is a scarecrow. And where it is planted? It is planted on the field and agricultural farmland. Why it is planted? To avoid the plant eating birds and animals. Yes, so today we are going to start economics lesson 4 agriculture. Let me introduce you. इंडिया इज़ बेसिकली एन एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड, सो दैट्स वाई जो 2/3 ऑफ इंडियन पॉपुलेशन है वो एंगेज रहती है एग्रीकल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ में. फूड ग्रेन जो है इट इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्ट्स मेड इन इंडिया. इंडिया एक्सपोर्ट्स एग्रो प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक टी, कॉफ़ी, स्पाइसेस एट्सेट्रा. नाउ लेट्स सी द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फार्मिंग, हाउ द फार्मिंग इज़ डन. The types of farming. The types of farming is primitive, subsistence, intensive, commercial and plantation farming. Before coming to the farming, let's know what is agriculture. How can we define agriculture? The science or the practice of farming, including cultivation of soil for the growing of crops and the rearing of animals to provide food, wool and other product is known as agriculture. So let's know the first type of farming. The first one is the primitive subsistence farming. This is practiced in India. This is practiced in small plot land with primitive tools and kits. That's why जो इसका प्रोडक्शन होता है, प्रोडक्टिविटी होती है वो बहुत लेस होती है, क्योंकि हमारे जो फार्मर्स होते हैं दे डोंट नो हाउ टू यूज़ द मॉडर्न टेक्निक्स एंड फर्टिलाइजर टू इंक्रीज द प्रोडक्शन. इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज स्लैश एंड द बर्न एग्रीकल्चर. दिस इज़ अ प्रिमिटिव सबसिस्टेंस फार्मिंग. Now second one is intensive subsistence farming. It is practiced in area of high population. There is high pressure in the land. It is labor intensive farming. Biochemicals are used, irrigations are used and higher production is done. This is the example of cultivable land with intensive method. Third one is the commercial farming. Commercial farming has the higher dose of modern inputs. The degree of commercialization varies from one region to another. For example, rice जो है commercial crop है पंजाब और हरियाणा का, but subsistence crop है उड़ीसा का. And this is a type of commercial farming, farmland. The fourth one is the plantation farming. It is a type of commercial farming. Single crop is grown in the large area. It has an interface of agriculture and industry. It is done on the large tract of land using capital intensive inputs with the help of migrant labor used as raw materials in industries. So these are some of the important plantation crops. Can you see coffee, apple, oranges and sugarcane. Cultivation name in different region. Cultivation जो है अलग अलग region में different name से जाना जाता है. Like मैक्सिको में उसे मिल्पा कहते हैं. In Brazil it is known as aroca and in Africa it is known as Mazole. So these are the different names of the cultivation. Now let's see what is the cropping season. Cropping season 3 types के होते हैं, Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. Let's know about each of the season. Kharif season is grown and cut in the month of monsoon. It is grown in the month of monsoon and harvested in September to October. Rabi is sown in winter, that is October to December, and it is harvested in summer, that is April to June. The Zaid is the short season, short crop growing season. because it is between the Rabi and the Kharif season during the summer. Some of the major crops of India are rice, wheat, millets, maize and pulses. We will know about them in detail. Let's start with rice. राइस इंडिया का एक स्टेपल फूड क्रॉप है और मेजॉरिटी ऑफ पीपल जो हैं दे हैव इट एज अ स्टेपल फूड एंड इट इज़ द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर इन द वर्ल्ड. इट इज़ द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ खरीफ क्रॉप विच रिक्वायर्स हाई टेम्परेचर ह्यूमिडिटी विथ एनुअल rainfall of above 100 centimeter. It is grown in the northern plains and the eastern India, coastal plains and deltic region. The next one is the wheat. Wheat is the second most important cereal crop, main food crop in the north and the northwestern part of the country. It requires cool growing season and bright sunshine during the ripening, and the annual rainfall required is 50 to 70 centimeter. It is grown in Ganga Satluj plain in the northwest and black soil region in the Deccan. The major wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan and the parts of MP. The another major crop is millet. Jawar, bajra and ragi are the important millets grown in India. Jawar is the most important food crop with respect to area and the production and grown in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. The another one is the maize. Maize is used for both food and fodder. Fodder, that the crop that is used for the food of animals. It requires a temperature between 21 Celsius and to 27 Celsius. It requires alluvial soil. HYV seeds are used and irrigation have contributed to increase the production. Major maize producing states are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. The next major crop is pulses. India is the largest producer and the consumer of the pulses in the world. Major pulses grown are tuar, urad, moong, masoor, peas and gram. Being a leguminous crop, they help to restore the soil fertility. Leguminous means the crops which store or which fix the nitrogen in the soil and increases the soil fertility is known as leguminous crop. It is grown in MP, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. So children, in this module we have seen that what is agriculture, what are the different types of agriculture and what are the major food crops in India.